In this video, I'll show you how to delete a domain in Hostinger Hosting. Just a quick clarification before we start. In Hostinger, what you usually delete from a hosting plan is the website connected to that domain, not the domain registration itself. Hostinger's support guide explains that removing a website from a hosting plan deletes the website's files, databases, and configuration from that hosting account. To begin, log in to your Hostinger account and open hPanel. Once you're inside, go to the website section. There you'll see the list of websites connected to your hosting plans. Find the domain or website you want to remove. Hostinger says you should click the ellipsis menu, the three dots next to that website, and then choose Delete. Before you confirm anything, stop for a second and make sure you selected the correct domain. According to Hostinger, this action is permanent for the website data inside that hosting plan. That includes the site files, databases, and setup linked to that website. So if there is anything important on the site, create a backup first before deleting it. After you click Delete, Hostinger will show a warning screen. On that screen, you'll usually see which domain is about to be removed and a reminder that the site data will be deleted. To continue, confirm the action by ticking the checkbox and clicking Delete again. Once you do that, the website is removed from the hosting plan. There is one more important detail. Hostinger notes that connected email services such as Hostinger Mail or Titan Mail are not deleted automatically when you delete the website. So if you also want to stop using email for that domain, you may need to manage that separately. Also, if your goal is not to remove the website but to fully cancel the hosting plan, Hostinger says that is handled differently. In that case, you would turn off auto-renewal and let the hosting plan expire instead of deleting just one website from the plan. So, the full path is simple. Log into hPanel, open Websites, find the domain. Click the three dots, choose Delete, review the warning, and confirm the deletion. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.